We've had the manuscript radiocarbon dated, and it's proved to be one of the earliest Quranic manuscripts. A treasure that is of global significance to Muslim heritage and to the study of Islam, as well as being a source of great pride to the local community.
The parts of the Quran that are contained in those fragments are very similar indeed to the Quran as we have it today. And so this tends to support the view that the Quran that we now have is more or less very close indeed to the Quran as it was brought together.
All the Muslims in the world would love to see this manuscript.
Okay. واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه لا تعد عيناك